course, the allegation is about theft and threatening violence, which is baseless and unfounded because these people are in a rally. You cannot steal a police vehicle which is guarded with guns.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Steven.
Which language do you understand? Which language? English, Written, come again. Come again. Which language? Where's the last language? Same with the pressure score language? So we can do English. Kenya, Islam? With the Alonzias? So it's things that you only have different. You can do that. Yeah, I'll start. Liberty, 35 years. Nakawi Mastula, 8 years. To confirm because some of you might be 16, so the numbers confirm. Yes, that's what they hope, 25. Kamil Reagan, 24. Salman Kagawa, 25 years. Age. Waiswa. Is it Waiswa? Last one? Waiswa. Last one, 25 years. We have same passport. 20 years. That's not it. Okay. Pronunciation will never be right. I'm pronouncing that. So okay. But this sounds the same, right? 20 years. Kenya, Isma, 19. Isma? 19 years? Lugalodes, 39.
Yep.
We have Kachamba Stephen, 28 years. The first case is malicious damage to property. Contrary to section 312, Penal Code Act. And the particulars of the case is that they prove liberty, Nakabe, Mastura, Nasozeko, Kamil Reagan, Salman Kagawa, Waiswa last one, the same with the precious Paul, Kenya Isma, with the Alosias, Kachamba Stephen, and others at large. On the 28th of October 2025, at Obot Village, along Kalori Road, Obot Parish, Barasa County, Nigeria District, lawfully and unlawfully, in Iran, okay, lawfully and unlawfully damage the motor vehicle, number UP 4816, the property will be under police force. Have you understood? Is it true? That's what you got? Where is not? I think I skipped, no, I skipped. Come here, is it there? Where is the last one? Precious Paul. You have Kenya Isma. You speak for yourself. Everyone is speaking for themselves. We'll get a poet. We'll get a poet. Then we have Loretta Alojes. And finally, we have Mastic. The second case. Stealing from a vehicle. Contrary to section 2371 and 250C of the Penal Code Act. And in particular are Liberty, Nastola, Nakawe, Nasozeko, Something Erigan, Southern Kagawa, Western, Glaston, Precious Paul, Kenya Isma, Loretta Alojes, Damas Stevens, and others at large. On the 10th of October 2025, at Obot Village, along Kalori Road, Barasa County, Nigeria District, stole a laptop, containing drugs, and 40 liters of diesel, all valued at 1,892,000 shillings. The property the property of DSSP Saturday Julius. Is attached to the primary residence and the police. And I'll start with liberty. Have you understood? True? No. Macabeo, Pastora. Eso digo. Una cama de guerra, some manufacturer. Where's the last one? Precious Paul? This one?
You do command. Such good command.
So, like, it's the we have the
Such good. Such good.
We have other aspects of lives, and we probably were still to go to Africa with
no, the representative. Yes. You have one echo.
Yes.
Speak representative. Advocate.
The advocate is actually within the premise.
You don't know where your court is?
You are not going to call that at this stage.
What is the advocate video? That way.
It's the other side.
Which side?
Yes, the other side.
Anyway, for me, I don't have an advocate. It's the same. So do you have people to stand for you? Sureties, are you here?
I am here to stand for
each one of them?
Yes, I can stand for all of them doing.
Each one needs sureties, 2 people, a national ID, LC letter.
Yeah. This one is here, I'm here. We were just trying to mobilize us.
So we are not ready at the moment.
Yeah.
But I'll ask for each one of them individually because it's my job to see which one responds. So if you have people in post ready to stand for you, do you have the requirements? 2 people, national ID, LC letter.
I think we cannot do all that now.
So we are okay. So then I'll if you say, I'll take it that if any one of you has to be for president, ready to stand, I'm ready to receive the application. No, not like right now, but you still need to be ready to do it.
We are mobilized, we are prepared.
In that case, I'll give you a yes.
We only got the information late. So now I go.
So are they going to be personal certificates? So that will not be collecting it with the group of the other ones. Sorry?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. November. Since it's a Facebook that is quite bad, but the back of your own, we have video with the good job. But you can move the mobilization is that day when they're ready for you to see the bill application.
Amiza, the former member of parliament for Yam County South and a leader in the National Unity Platform. I am also the parliamentary candidate for NUP in Yam County South. I had come here to the court premise to follow up on our members who were arrested 2 days ago. And I found all of them here, 10 of them. They have been brought before court within the allotted time of 48 hours. And we are now, the magistrate has actually given them a plea bargain, and they have all denied the allegation level against them. Of course, the allegation is about theft and threatening violence, which is baseless and unfounded, because these people were in a rally. You cannot steal a police vehicle which is guarded with guns and so on. So, but we know it is a political intimidation to try to make them feel weak and to demoralize them. But I am just appealing to every member of NUP in the region and also in the whole country, and especially the president of NUP, Robert Chagulanyi, wherever he is, because I'm aware he's headed to Karamoja. He's headed to Acholi. He's now in Karamoja, to remain calm, because we are working with the lawyers, we're working with everybody to ensure that these guys are released in accordance to the law. We don't fault anybody. We don't fault the prison officers. We don't fault the police as of now. We are just going to follow the law. Our spirit is very high. Our spirit is very strong, and people should be calm. There is nothing like there is a lot of fear, and what there's no fear in us. There's going to be no fear in these people. I have talked to them. I have calmed them down, and I'm appealing to the people to come in support of them. So we are just looking for documents to have them released on bail as we process the rest legally. So I'm grateful also to the media and everybody who have been standing with us in trying to pursue this matter. And I want to make it clear that nobody is going to intimidate a member of NUP, especially in the region, in Lango region here. And even anybody who is here, when we find any source of intimidation, harassment, or what, we shall continue to pursue them until we get justice. Because our struggle is justified. It's a normal process. It's within the laws of Uganda. We have all the freedom, we have all the rights to associate, to engage, to participate in elections, to participate in politics, and that's what we are doing. So I appeal to people to remain calm. NUP is very strong, the people are very committed, the members are dedicated, and they are pursuing a cause to get new leadership to change the governance of Uganda. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.